We'll guide you through how to fix your SD card not showing up or being recognized on your laptop or PC. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is likely happening because you don't have the correct drivers installed. So all you need to do is open up a web browser, and you then want to go and search the manufacturer of your computer. For example, let's say you had an HP, I go and type in HP drivers, just like so. Make sure you do go to the official site, which is hp.com in this case. Now you need to identify your computer, so I can go and select laptop, and then what you can do is enter your serial number or your product number or product name. After you've identified your computer, you then need to go and select the operating system that you have. I can now see a list of the software and drivers. Of course, on different manufacturers' website, it will be slightly different, but here we've got a category for driver for storage. So I can click here, and then as you can see, we've got this driver, media card reader drivers, and this is what we need. And we can then come over to the right and click on download, and we can download the driver. And once it's finished, we can then go and find it and we can go and install it. Restart your computer and open your file explorer and come to this PC, and now hopefully you'll be able to go and find it. Here it is. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.